I'd like to share with you how you can create a scavenger hunt using Google Forms and 3D Bear. This scavenger hunt I have called the Great Escape. I have simple instructions that say, play each video below to help you find where each of the clues are hidden, solve each clue to unlock the codes, and escape. So below I have added 4 different locks, and each of the locks include a 3D Bear video with a character that is describing where they're going to be able to find this hidden clue on the school campus. And then below that video, I have a message saying, find the clue hidden in location above, solve as a team, and type in the code. And then I have a place for them to place the code once they figure out the puzzle from the hidden clue. So to create a lock, I simply am going to go up here to the plus sign. And when I do that, it is going to create a question. So for the question, I am actually going to insert a video. So I'm going to click on Add Video. I'm going to insert the link of the video that I'd like to use, click on it to make sure that it's highlighted, and then click Select. Right above that video, I'm going to write the lock number. So this is going to be lock number 5. And then I'm going to add a second question below that. And for the second question, I'm going to put the same message that I've added for the rest of them. And then I'm going to change this from a multiple choice answer to a short answer. Now what I would like to do is I would like to add a response validation so that students are going to be able to insert a code that they have figured out from solving this puzzle. So I have some options. I can make this a number, a text, a length, or irregular expression, but I want to make it a text. So I'm going to click on text, and then I can decide what I want this text answer to be. And I want it to contain the letters MEDFORD, and I want it to be in all caps. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go down here to description, and I am going to say that this is a 7-digit letter lock, and I want it to be in all caps. And that way students are going to know what kind of a code they're looking for. I also want to add in a custom error text so that if they get it wrong, they are going to know that they need to try again. I also am going to make this a required question. So that is simply all you do to create a lock for a scavenger hunt. So I hope you enjoy this. I can't wait to see what ideas you come up with, and have a great time. Google Forms and 3D Bear make a perfect combination for digital scavenger hunt.